Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here I come with June reading. Sorry for not uploading May. I was not feeling well and I didn't have the strength to record. So here we are with Gemini June reading 2021. So let's see what we have in our Gemini reading in June. So here we go with Gemini 2021 June. Let's see what we have. Okay, Gemini are totally into spiritual self. They are just going inside of them, inner check, taking some guidance from a guru or a teacher. That's what I feel. If you have anyone around you, or it could be your own. You could have become your own guru, your own teacher. So I feel you have taken a step back and trying to check what I did, what I didn't do, what happened, what didn't happen, what was right, what was wrong, right? You are really feeling very fearful of your circumstances right now, Gemini. That's what I feel. Okay. Work wise, I feel things are changing. I just do one card reading normally for each week because that gives me more understanding. Believe me, one card reading does give you a lot of more understanding. Okay. So your aim is to be totally into your power, which you are going to be in the month of June. Your work is coming with a lot of offers, but those offers are not big, but still in that you will make a lot of money. The first week I feel is a lot of ending. Gemini. There is ending of a karmic cycle or with a karmic person. That's what I feel. I feel this ending will come towards you in your, even in your workspace. You are going to end the old ways of working. That's what I feel. I feel that you're going to also end a lot of relationships. You're going to end your relationships to start new ones. You're going to take a leap of faith. This leap of faith can be in your workspace. This leap of faith can be in your personal life. This leap of faith can be in your marriage or relationships. It could be anything. You are just ending things and just saying, okay, now I'm done with this. I've worked enough on this. I cannot work on this anymore. And you're going to just step up, step out and just leave. You're going to let the destiny show you what is there. Okay, so it's a very good energy. Why? Because it's a Fool's card, and whenever the Fool takes a step, it's always a positive step. Okay, because the Fool is guided by the universe. The second week is going to be a very beautiful karmic change in your life. This change will get you money, prosperity. Okay, your destiny wheel is changing. You needed to leave this karmic relationship long back, which you didn't. You were holding on to it out of emotions or whatever. Though it's a work reading, but still I'm saying this. This relationship could be in work or personal life. So you are leaving that karmic relationship and you are walking forward in the second week, and that walking forward out of, leaving all your fears and everything, you are going to gain money, prosperity and a beautiful upliftment energy in your life. The third week you are going to enjoy whatever you have. So now in the second week, the changes got you money, prosperity, whatever you have. Okay, you're going to enjoy that, luxuries, money, prosperity, status. Status is very important here. You're going to enjoy your status. Maybe you're the boss of a company, or maybe you will get uplifted. That also is a possibility. Then in the fourth week, you are going to have a total control of your life, a new beginning, lot of clarity of mind, what you want and what you don't want, because you were confused up till now. And there is a new beautiful energy of decision making and new beginning. So there is a decision making energy here, and you are going to make some kind of decision in the fourth week in June. So I think it's a very amazing reading, as the first week is going to get you a lot of ending of a lot of things. Second week, karmic wheel changing. Third week is a lot of enjoying of your luxuries. And fourth week, a lot of new beginning and decisions. So it's a very good month because it is making you come out of your fears, because this was your conscious mind. Your conscious mind is holding on fear of circumstances, which I feel is, and your insecurities too, because there's a lot of solar plex energy. And you will come out of this in June because you were holding on to this from a very long time. And remember, if your solar plex energy is so ungrounded, and you have a lot of insecurities inside you. You might even have a lot of digestion issues. This is something people don't know. A lot of digestion issues happen, acidity happens when you are not thinking, or not all the time fearing something or the other. Okay, so let's see what we have for Gemini in love. Again, decision making. Lot of decision making. I feel Gemini, again, I feel as a card of teach. So you are consulting a guru or a teacher, or maybe you're being your own teacher, or maybe teaching spiritual sciences is your calling. That also could be important. I feel Gemini, you are healing from a situation, past situation. And this past situation was that you were actually hearing a lot of, you were asking advice from others. And this advice to you was wrong. Now you are taking your own decisions. You're just listening to yourself. So taking other people's advice is good, but just listening and go by their advice is wrong. So there was a lot of people in your ears who are trying to guide you in a wrong way. You are now healing. You're actually healing and coming out of your old energy. Somewhere I feel that your third eye is opening even more. I won't call it a third eye blocked. I don't know why. Normally I do, but I feel your third eye, your intuition is really opening more, and you're seeing with clarity, and you are also seeing the truth in your life. All the true things will come here on your face. Maybe they are very harsh, but this will come here and give you more clarity to decide. Again, I feel this card is of healing and trust. Also, you need to trust, or you are trusting the universe now, because you've started believing in the universe. Now, in your relationship, which you're really waiting, or maybe your partner is waiting for you to decide on something, okay? Reach out. Directly go and either talk to your partner or the person you love, or you need to tell your maybe family or friends to intervene, so that that balance happens. Sometimes we can't directly go and talk. If you tell somebody to help you, so you need to take help, and I feel you need to take the lead. I feel that the imbalance of energy in your relationship, when one was giving and other one was taking, or other one was giving and you were taking, that is not going to happen anymore. Your relationship is going to be absolutely balanced, because both the partners, both the sides are going to give and receive. It's not an imbalance of energy, because I feel your heart chakra is also opening, because when this happens, your heart chakra opens. There is a lot of strengthening of bonds which you need to work on. Somewhere you felt that detachment was a key to your relationship. No. Strengthening the bonds is very, very important in your relationship, because this one person here, and I feel it is you, Gemini. There is a balanced energy of yin and yang happening in the month of June, and your relationship is going to shine and be very, very positive, very, very bonded, and very, very unconditional. So you're going to win in the month of June in your relationship area. Only that you have to work on these things that I have told you, because the block maybe is coming from your side. You need to work on it. Stop listening to people. Go with your heart. Have clarity in your life. Reach out. Speak to that person, or try to strengthen what relationship you have right now. Maybe your teacher, guru, take some advice. Sometimes, what happens? Can I say this? Sometimes guru also guides you wrong way. So you have to understand that instead of listening to anyone, just listen to your heart. And let me tell you, what your heart says is never wrong. You will always know where and what is right and wrong if you go with your heart. Don't be an emotional fool, but definitely listen to your heart, because that is always the right thing to do. Okay, so let's see what we have as a fairy message. You've got the power. You have the power to change everything in your life, Gemini. Just see this. It's a beautiful card. And you have the ability to resolve the situation. You can do it. You can do it, Gemini. In every area of your life, you're so smart and so good with what you do. Please go ahead and take your relationship and your money and just take a step. Okay, so that's all for today, and do subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Share this video with your family and friends, and call me for paid appointments only at White Light Healing Center at centerwither@gmail.com. Okay, and that's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye.